I have, many times, many of you see me and think I'm the one who does this thing, but there is an absolutely wonderful team of young people in this country who've made it possible to tally these results. What Jubilee is currently doing is struggling with what they don't have. Normally, Jubilee thinks they are entitled. This is the hustler dynasty narrative. They think everything comes to them, they don't work hard. We have a team of more than 300 young people where we are in a secret location right now, where we are trying to tally the results. We're going to begin this. We are about to announce the final results in Kiambaa and Muguga. It's been a wonderful night. I give credit to the enormous work and sacrifice given by the more than 300 young men and women who believe in the hustler narrative, who have been compiling results the whole of tonight. We are announcing these results based on the results as announced at the polling center in Muguga and in Kiambaa. At the moment, we have not completed Kiambaa or the polling stations, but the remaining polling stations indicate that whatever Jubilee does, they cannot recover. They have been beaten, despite bringing chiefs, despite kupiga kifua na madharau, and all the things they did to us today. Wanjiku has indeed stood with Wanjiku. Kiambaa, with a few polling stations remaining, there is nothing that even if we were to do all the votes to Jubilee and somehow we all got zeros, they have no chance of recovering. Therefore, we declare that the next member of parliament for Kiambaa is John Njuguna Wanjiku. And that result has been announced by the Hustler Nation Intelligence Bureau. It cannot be wrong. At this moment, UDA has 52% of the vote. JP has 48% of the vote. We congratulate our competitors, but we mourn with them, and we mourn the late Jubilee, and we will be announcing where the burial rates. The burial ceremony was today. The actual cremation, we don't know what the will was. We are waiting for the lawyer to read for us the will, whether they want cremation or to be lowered in a grave. We will be announcing it very soon. We appreciate the people of Kiambaa, and we say thank you very much for giving a chance to UDA to have a firstborn in parliament. And we are now heading. Please move away from your homes. Let's meet at Kariri. Let's all. Amen.